Mr. President-elect and
Oh yeah, we will secure the safety of our people. They've been attacking civilians many, many times. And you guys don't report that.
Well, we try to report the full story.
It's there.
Salam NKRI, teman-teman semuanya. Presiden terpilih Prabowo Subianto memberikan jawaban menohok kepada jurnalis media asing Al Jazeera yang sok-sokan membahas dan mempertanyakan kekerasan serta pelanggaran HAM yang terjadi di Papua, bermaksud ingin menyudutkan para aparat dan pemerintah Indonesia, malah kena sekakmat. Mereka nyaris tak pernah memberitakan tentang kekerasan dan kekejaman yang dilakukan oleh KKB yang disebut oleh Pak Prabowo sebagai teroris. Mereka hanya memberitakan, menyiarkan sepihak saja. Nah, berikut ini adalah wawancara antara Presiden terpilih Prabowo Subianto dengan jurnalis Al Jazeera.
Take a look at the situation in eastern Indonesia, in Papua. We have seen incidents of torture, human rights abuses carried out by security forces against indigenous Papuans. There was a recent incident where a man was put in a barrel and tortured by security personnel. When you see those incidents, what is your reaction?
You know, we are the fourth largest population in the world. We are the size of Europe, right? We have many incidents, I'm sure. There are violations. But you compare what's happening in many parts of the world, you know. I'm not defending it. We have taken, I think our record, we have taken measures to punish our security forces who have violated. But if you compare with the size of Indonesia, with the size of the population,
the incidents seem to be concentrated, though, in Papua rather than throughout the country.
How do you know that? Have you been there? Why didn't you go there?
Well, it's very difficult, actually, for foreign media to enter Papua.
You talk Papua as if... I'm not defending all incidents we will deal with seriously, but, you know, your question a bit one-sided. Why don't you open the YouTube or the channels of these so-called Papua Independence Movement? On their channel, you can see how they mistreat their own people.
So would that be ensuring the security of the situation in Papua? How can that be done?
Look, Indonesia is not only Papua. We will ensure security all over Indonesia, right? And our approach is always to negotiate. You know, these terrorists who attack their own people, who attack schools, burn, kill civilians. You talk about one incident.
Yes.
Do you know that they killed workers on the road?
Yes, I know that there are.
But you didn't ask about it. How many workers they killed? Unarmed civilian workers. How many workers they killed? 2, 3, 4?
There have been many incidents. There have been many incidents.
Yeah, what I'm saying is, they carry out acts of terrorism. They what do you call it? Took a hostage, which they have not released, an unarmed foreign civilian, right?
Yes.
Where is the indignation from the NGOs, from the foreign press? No.
I think perhaps the indignation is for both sides, just for people to live safely, Mr. President-elect. And
oh yeah, we will secure the safety of our people. They've been attacking civilians many, many times. And you guys don't report that.
Well, we try to report the full story.
It's there. They propagate it.
Nah, begitulah bagaimana menurut teman-teman semuanya. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Salam NKRI.
Hurrah!